Deacon, now tell your daddy how much you love him by smiling. Yes. Yeah, Deacon, look back at the camera, though. You gotta smile for Daddy so he knows how much you love him. Yes. Now tell Daddy how much you love him. Yeah. Now big, big smile. Big smile. Yeah. Deacon. Yes. What are you doing, bud? You can't stop looking at the camera. Deacon. Up here, bud. Up here. Hi. Hello, gorgeous. Who's a gorgeous little man? Say, Deacon. Deacon is. Oh, yeah. Tell him. And tell him how gorgeous you are. Tell him. Ah, you're a gorgeous little baby. Yeah. Yeah. Gorgeous. And cute. And smiley. And that means Deacon. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that smile. It's so pretty. So now you stop. Where's that smile? Come on. Yeah. Hi. Say bye, Daddy.